Mastering the art of diplomacy. Understanding, playing both sides. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even in business contexts: playing both sides. This expression is a goldmine for those looking to enhance their understanding of nuanced English. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you can not only understand it but also use it confidently in your own conversations. Playing both sides refers to the act of supporting or assisting two opposing groups or individuals at the same time, often without either side knowing about the support to the other. This can be done for various reasons, such as to gain personal advantage, to maintain neutrality, or to ensure a favorable outcome regardless of which side prevails. It's a strategy that requires a delicate balance and, when discovered, can lead to distrust or betrayal feelings. To truly grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, someone might play both sides by being friendly with both management and the staff, supporting both groups' views when speaking to them separately. This can help the individual maintain good standing with everyone, regardless of internal conflicts. In politics, a diplomat might secretly assure two opposing countries of their support to keep good relations with both, hoping to be seen favorably no matter the conflict outcome. These scenarios highlight the complexity and the sometimes morally ambiguous nature of playing both sides. Using playing both sides in conversation requires understanding its connotations. Here are some tips. Be aware of the context. This phrase often implies manipulation or cunning, so it's best used in contexts where such connotations are understood and not likely to offend. Combine it with storytelling. When sharing experiences or discussing scenarios where someone was navigating through conflicting interests, this phrase can add depth to the narrative. Like any strategy, playing both sides comes with its advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, it can provide flexibility and multiple options. However, it risks losing trust from both sides if the strategy is uncovered. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to navigate complex social situations effectively. We hope this exploration of playing both sides enriches your English vocabulary and enhances your conversational skills. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but understanding the stories and strategies behind them. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.